Sure. Well, I mean, in the field, we use the analogy, you don't have to eat the whole foot long in one bite. We use that all the time. It's because our goal, obviously, is we need to equip as many fleets as we can with safety equipment. So one of those things is you can grow into the system. So you could start with a simple rear vision solution, monitor camera in the back that shows that image, especially just triggered on reverse. So when they go in reverse, it's on. When they're out of reverse, it's off. But to grow onto that system, you can actually add side cameras that can do the same thing, come on full screen when a blinker or an indicator light is initiated. To couple that, you can actually add other products. We have rear vision collision avoidance sensors, which actually integrate directly to the camera system, so they give you proximity to the objects that you're about to back into, as well as a directional, so you know, is that pole on the left or the right side of the vehicle. Not really stopping there, you can take another bite of the foot-long sub and add in a 900 series DVR, and that's our high-definition DVR, or digital video recorder. It's in a locked cage and is completely expandable. So all of those same cameras that you outfitted for collision avoidance purposes, you can now get a complete video record of those same cameras, and so when an incident does happen, you can go back and actually refute that and get to the truth of the story.